How to fix Snapchat crystal not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with your Snapchat crystal not showing up, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue in just a few simple steps, so let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what Snapchat crystal actually is. Snapchat crystal is the feature that allows you to earn money through Snapchat by collecting crystals. In order to find out where the crystals are displayed, you need to simply open up your Snapchat. Then in the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. Then you need to scroll down until you see the My Stories. These crystals are displayed just below the Stories sections of your profile. But here's a catch. To access to the Snapchat crystal features, you need to meet certain eligibility criteria. You must be an eligible creator, which means your account needs to have specific number of followers. Additionally, you will need to post at least 10 original videos on different days within a month. And remember, your content must utilize at least one Snapchat feature. So, if your Snapchat crystal is not showing, it could be due to not meeting these criteria. Make sure you check your follower count and number of the videos you posted if you are a content creator on Snapchat. Also, keep in mind that there might be processing time for awards, so don't panic if it does not show up immediately. Lastly, if you see a pending status, that means your crystals are still being processed. Just give it some time and they should appear once everything is verified. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.